Hari Om, in previous class, we had seen few sentences from 28th the lesson. Now we are going to enter into next sentences which we've left from 28th one. धैर्यम अवलंब्य शत्रुभिः सह युध्येत. We have completed few of them. So just a review for revision. Tvam dhairyam avalambya, having taken the support of courage, you shall or you should fight with enemies. नारायणस्य आलस्यात् दारिद्र्यं निष्पद्येत. From the आलस्य दारिद्र्यं निष्पद्येत. The poverty is born from the laziness of Narayana. शिष्यस्य अविनयं गुरुः न सहेत. Teacher should not tolerate the rudeness of student. So up to this, actually we had completed, even though we had completed the sentences. Here we are. विपत्तौ धीरः न मुह्येत, धर्मं वा न परित्यजेत. Here we were.
Yeah. Dhiraha, the courageous person in the difficult time shall not abandon dharma.
No. न मुह्येत.
Na muhyet.
Also,
na
or
muhyet. Oh, okay. So dhiraha in the difficult time should not become deluded and should not abandon dharma.
इच्छामि पुनः अपि पुण्यां भागीरथीम् अवगाहेमहि इति अवदत् रामं सीता. सीतारामम् अवदत् यत् पुनः अपि भागीरथीं पुण्यां भागीरथीम् अवगाहेमहि इति.
Avagahevahi is the dual. Atmanepada.
Avam avagahevahi.
Avam. I don't know this.
Basically, Sita is speaking to Rama. Sita is saying that, "O Rama, I desire that we both shall take avagahanam, snanam. We both should take the bath of punyam bhagirathim in the punya. Punya means sacred Ganges, the water of Ganges. Iti Ramam avadat Sita. Sita spoke to Rama, or spoke Rama. Sita spoke Rama. Right? Not spoke to, na?
I think spoke to only.
Spoke to.
There has to be that too, yeah.
Sita spoke to Rama that I desire we both shall take the bath into the sacred Ganges. संशयाय प्राप्ते मित्रे प्रथम सुकृतानि स्मृत्वा शूद्रः अपि न विमुखः भवेत्. Nice sentence. Forget everything. Now if he is seeking your help, then help him. Though previous things were not good, but if he is in difficulty, just help him. Samshayaya prapte mitre.
One who came to you for help,
who
is trying to take help from you. Prathama Sukritani Smrutva, having the first actions, Kshudraha api na vimukkaha bhavet. So, Kshudraha api na vimukkaha bhavet. Even the low people should not turn away their faces.
Yeah. Even the mean person, remembering the Sukruta, good actions, should not विमुखः क्या था शब्द उसके लिए? विमुख होना, to turn their faces. So basically, if he is in difficulty, let's help them. Even Shudra person should not turn away by helping, without helping him, like that. तृषिताय जलं यच्छेत् हरेः दीनस्य च आपदम्. ओके, तृषिताय जलम यच्छेत् हरेद दीनस्य आपदम, ऐसा है वो.
हरेः दीनस्य, हरेत दीनस्य,
हरेत क्रियापदम.
तृषिताय जलम, for somebody who is thirsty, the water, you should
give or water, the offer.
Apadam.
And deenasya apadam haret, and remove the take away the difficulties of deen, a poor person. नीचैराख्यं गिरिम् अधिवसेः तत्र विश्राम हेतोः नीचैराख्यं गिरिम् अधिवसेत्.
त्वं, right? अधिवसेः गिरिमधिवसेः तत्र विश्राम
हेतोः, for the sake of Vishranti, Vishrama. You should stay in that Nichairakya Parvata named, ऐसा कुछ बनेगा, Nichairakyam. Okay, the name is Nichaihi of that Parvata. So basically, you should take you should stay there to remove your fatigue in that Nichaihi Parvata, Nichairakyam Parvata, the Parvata which is known as Nichaihi. सूर्ये तपति सति आवरणाय दृष्टेः कल्पेत लोकस्य कथं तमिश्रा. तमिस्रा सूर्ये तपति सति दृष्टेः आवरणाय कथं कल्पेत. Tamisra, night. When there is a sun shining in the sky, how the night will be able to make avarana, the cover the sight of people. Basically, she will not.
I didn't understand.
When there is sun, when sun is shining in the sky, how the Tamistra, the night, will be able to cover the sight of people? Basically, she will not, because sun is shining. When there is a sun, there will not be andhakar. When there is andhakara, there will not be sun. So when sun is shining, andhakar or the Tamistra cannot work there. When there is jnanam, ajnana will not be there. Similarly, when there is a prakasha, light, darkness will not be there. You too should wash your hands and feet when you return home.
Yuvam, hands and feet. Pani, padau cha. Prakshalanam.
Shalayeta.
Prakshalayeta.
Who is the subject? You too.
Yuvam. Prakshalayet. No. Prakshetam.
Prakshalayetam.
Prakshalayetam.
Next. Men should not forget their friends.
No, I didn't complete when you return home.
Okay.
Yada.
When
Gruhat nivartate.
No, not gruhat. Not from, to home. So gruham yada tvam yada yuvam gruham agacchatam tada agachet gacchetam gacchetam agacchetam tada pani padau cha prakshalayetam. Men should not forget their friends.
Janaha mitrani na asmaret.
Vismareyuhu. If you were to taste poison, you would die. If you would taste the poison, okay. If you were to taste poison, oh, difficult language है, पता नहीं. If you were supposed to take the poison, you would die. ऐसा कुछ सेंटेंस है. So yadi
tvam visham taste is
swad
swadaye
sorry swadase
na, yeah.
Okay.
Tada maranam
mriyethaha
okay.
Mriyate. Vidilangakar will go. The mriyata mriyata mriyaran mriyethaha. Mriyethaha. The two books may be carried in the two hands.
Pustakau.
Dve pustake.
Pani. Naye. The two books may be carried in the two hands. Oh, Tvaya. Can I say Tvaya?
Tvaya hastayoho.
Hastayoho.
Dve pustake.
Niyetam.
Yeah. Dve pustake niyetam.
No, niyetam. Atmanepada.
नीयेत नीयेयाथाम, नीयेत नीयेयाथाम. Okay, नीयेत नीयेयाताम, नीयेयाताम it should be.
Okay, Tvaya, right? It is the second person. So it is, if it is Atmanepada, itham.
नीयेयाथाम.
Niyeyatham. Okay.
It is Atmanipada, na, because it is Karmani. So नीयेयाथाम it would be. नीयते परस्मैपद वर्तमान. नीयेताम लोट लकार. नीयेत पूर्ण तकार विधिलिंग लकार. Anyway, next is you too should learn nyaya from your teacher.
Teacher. Adhyapak.
अध्यापकात्.
Adhyapakat. Yuvam. Nyayam. Yuyam. Nyayam. Pathethaha.
युवाम न्यायम.
Patheyatham.
पठे is परस्मै पद. शिक्षेयाथाम. पठेतम. Pathetam. Let us sit here in the shade of tree.
Vrukshasya chayayam vayam sit is
upavishema. King should protect their subjects from harm.
Rajanah. Subjects. Prajaha. Oh, okay. Apat.
Apadah.
Apayat.
Okay, apayat.
Apayat. Raksheta.
Raksheyuhu बहुवचनम.
Raksheyuhu.
Let us worship God with pure heart.
Pure heart. Shuddha.
Shuddha hridayena.
Vayam. Evam. Bhajeyuhu.
Vayam bhajema. You should give money to poor persons. Persons ऐसा होता है? Yes लगाते हैं.
Person only. I have never said persons.
That is a mistake, I think.
Tvam. Money is
Dhanam.
What is it?
Dhanam.
Dhanam. Tvam. Dhanam. Poor people.
दीनेभ्यः धनम यच्छेः. You should not err from your duties. स्वाध्याय प्रवचनाभ्याम न प्रमदितव्यम. That is that.
Okay.
धर्मान न प्रमदितव्यम. Right? Dharmat na pramaditavya. Next, man should not become agitated without cause. If he becomes agitated without cause, then there is a
They
problem.
should be in the mental hospital. So, Purushaha, agitated is
Shubhyat.
Shubh.
Shubhyet.
Vina karanat.
कारणं विना कारणात् विना न क्षुभ्येत न क्षुभ्येयुः बहुवचनं. No man shall covet another's wealth.
No man. No. Purushah.
परकीयस्य धनं न लुभ्येत.
न लुभ्येत.
Next, the king ordered that the two rogues should be bitten.
Raja. Raja. Agneyata. I don't know.
Adishat. Yad Shathau Tadeyatam.
Tadeyatam.
Passive again. Shathau Tadeyatam आरक्षकैः. आरक्षकैः शठौ ताड्येयाताम् अथवा सैनिकैः शठौ ताड्येयाताम् इति राजा आदिशत्. We should obtain fame if we die in the defense of our country.
Vayam yasham
Yashah
Yashah Vinderan Yadi Deshasya defense Rakshane Amriyat.
यदि देशस्य रक्षणे म्रियेमहि यशः लभेमहि. Isn't it? If we die in the while protecting kingdom country, we shall obtain the fame. Witnesses shall always tell the truth in the courts of justice. न्याय सभासु और न्याय सभा मध्ये सभायाम साक्षिणः सत्यम सदा सत्यम वदेयुः. Isn't it? If I go to Kashi, I will bring many Sanskrit books.
Yadi aham kashim
गच्छेयम् अहं गच्छेयम्.
aham Yadi aham kashim agaccheyam gaccheyam
बहूनि संस्कृत पुस्तकानि आनयेयम्. If you were to tell a lie, you would be bitten by your masters.
Yadi tvam anrutam vadehe tvam
बहुवचनम actually you were na.
If you were to tell a lie, it's bahuvachanam.
You were, you was, you were. I don't know. Singular भी बना सकते.
Oh, okay, got it. यूयं यदि यूयं अनृतं वदेयुः नो
यूयं
वदेत
वदेत
वदेत तदा तर्हि
you would be
भ्रात
beaten.
भ्रात्रा
भर्तृभिः
भर्तृभिः ता
ताड्यध्वम्
ताड्यध्वं
विधिलिङ्गः
beaten beaten
ताड्यध्वम्
okay ताड्यध्वं
ताड्येय ताड्येवहि ताड्येय ताड्येयाताम् ताड्येरन् ताड्येथाः ताड्येयाथाम् ताड्येध्वम्. So ताड्येध्वम् is a plural. Okay. The king led his soldiers out of the city that he might fight with his enemy. Enemy.
the king led enemy
Okay. Enemy.
King led his soldiers out of the city that he might fight with his enemy. Raja योधान नगरात् बहिः नयेत्
No, he led na anayat अरिणा सह शत्रुणा सह युद्धे king, what was the sentence? The king led his soldier fight with enemies. सह अरिणा सह युद्धेत इति धिया योधान् नगरात् बहिः अनयत्. Or I will fight with enemies, thinking that he led the sena from the city. अहम शत्रुना सह युद्धेयम इति धिया राजा योधान नगरात् बहिः अनयत्. I should be punished by my masters if I were seen doing evil.
Aham masters Guruna Danda Dandyeta.
Aham Dandeya. I am worthy of punished. I should be punished.
Guruna Dandeya. Yadi Papam Kuruvan Drushyeta.
यदि अहम दृश्येय, यदि अहम पापम कुर्वन् दृश्येय, if I am seen while doing, if I am performing some papam, evil action, and the guru see me, I should be punished. So that is the meaning.
Can you say that one more time, how you make the sentence?
The meaning is, if I am doing some evil actions, and if I am seen by my masters, masters should punish me. Masters should punish me doing evil actions.
So how do you say it in Sanskrit? Can you say it one more time?
Okay. So papam kuruvan aham gurubihi dandeya.
Gurubihi.
Papam कुर्वन् अहम गुरुभिः दण्डेय. यदि अहम पापं कुर्वं दृश्येय गुरुभिः दृश्येयः अहम दण्डेय. Would the poor brahmanas get any money if they should break through the town. ये डिफिकल्ट डिफिकल्ट आने लगे ना अभी.
Mm-hmm. Nagar.
Hmm?
Through
If
the town.
uh, would the poor brahmanas get any money if they should beg through the towns? Towns and city different है ना. तो टाउन्स मतलब गांव होगा शायद. हाँ. यदि दीनब्राह्मणाः भिक्षुकाः ग्रामेषु ग्राममध्ये भिक्षां याचेत किं ते लभेत किं ते लभेरन् इति. यदि याचकाः दीनयाचकाः धनं ग्रामे याचे याचते याचेरन् किं ते धनं लभेरन्, like that. I give much money to my sisters that my parents might be pleased. I gave much money. I gave much money to my sisters that parents might be pleased.
Gave is like that dadati or
Ayacham.
ayacham.
Aham ayacham. Aham pushkalam. Aham prabhutam dhanam ayacham. Bhaginyai अथवा अहम भगिन्यै पुष्कलं धनम अयच्छम. किमर्थम? पितरौ तुष्येत तुष्ये तुष्यति. राइट. तो
Yeah.
तुष्येताम. पितरौ तुष्येताम इति धिया अहम भगिन्यै पुष्कलं धनम अयच्छम. A wife and husband should worship Agni every day in the house. Jayapati. Jayapati प्रतिदिनं गृहे अग्निं पूजयेताम्. Yes.
What is that?
जायापति जम्पति दंपति प्रतिदिनं गृहे अग्निं सेवेयाथाम् भजेताम् अथवा पूजयेताम्.
भजेताम्.
भजते भजति ना. सो सेवेताम्, सॉरी सेवेयाताम्. सेवेत इद आत्मनेपदी. तो सेवेयाताम् अथवा पूजयेत पूजयेत गच्छेत गच्छेताम् पूजत पूजयेताम् ऐसा बन सकता है. A man should not mind trouble in the performance of duty. Should not mind.
Should not mind. Trouble is performance of duty.
धर्माचरणे पुरुषः दुःखं न गणयेत. गणयेत. दुःखं न गणयेत. दुःखं न मन्येत. दुःखं न मन्येत. Pupils should salute their teachers. Teachers, sorry. शिष्याः गुरुं.
शिष्यः गुरुं नमेत
नमेयुः.
नमेयुः.
वन्देरन्.
नमेयुः. या नमेयुः.
अथवा वन्देरन् आत्मनेपदी. Though obstructed by obstacles, you should not abandon the work begun.
So, obstructed by obstacles.
प्रतिहतः. दुःखैः प्रतिहतः सङ्कटैः प्रतिहतः अपि भवान् आरब्धं कार्यं न
न त्यजेत्।
त्यजेत्। त्यजेत, हाँ हाँ, त्यजेत परस्मैपद है ना, त्यजेः।
Okay.
Hmm? Okay, here we have completed the 28th. In next class, we will go with 29th. You can go through the sentences also of 29th. And all the words we have almost covered, so nothing new we are going to learn. Okay, there are some Sarva Sarvanam you can go through. Asmad Yushmad, there are going to be new words. So you have to focus on Sarvanam, like Sahataute, Yeshah Yeto, Athva, Strilinga, neuter gender, all this. Once you can memorize Asmad Yushmad, Aham Avam Vayam, that is one important. Sahataute, Satetaha, Tattetani. If that is clear, then all these Sarvanams also will be fine. Go through the words and try to go through sentences. We will learn in next class. Okay, we'll do Purnamadaha. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Hari Om.
Right.
Hari.